Dialogue format. 02. Good side related dialogue format. A dialogue between myself and my friend is about our given below. Sakab. Good morning. How are you? Rakib. Good morning, I am fine, and you? Sakab. I am also fine. Are you free now? Rakib. Yes. Why? Sakab. Actually, I want to talk with you about an important matter. Rakib. Of course you can ask me whatever you want to know. Sakab. Can you tell me about? Rakib. The importance of is so much that cannot be expressed in word. IT is most essential thing, and it is necessary in every step in our life. Everybody should know about the importance of. No man cannot shine in life without giving importance of it. Sakab. Thank you very much, I have learned many things from you. Rakib, you are welcome.